Guys, I am literally in the airport right now, so if the audio is not good, then I apologize, but I wanted to give you this very quick update on what I believe might happen moving forward here on Bitcoin. So, yesterday we were talking about how we were expecting a fake out potentially to take out this wick after FOMC, and we actually did not get that fake out. Now, despite us not actually taking the low, as soon as we broke structure to the upside, we did get in on the retracement, which, by the way, was the exact level that we bounced off of that I gave in my VIP Discord. So congratulations to all of those who took this trade with me. So we got our fake out, and I want to talk about what we could potentially see today. Okay, first thing that's notable is we have actually just changed our 4-hour structure from local bearish back to local bullish. So while this was bearish and we could expect somewhat of a pullback down towards these lows, now us flipping bearish is indicating that, hey, things are not looking like we want to come and take this low, and we are probably going to make a run for the liquidity we've been talking about up here on the channel. So it does look like we are going to make our way up there. However, we are currently finding resistance right now in a local 4-hour order block. We did wick it out a couple times, and over the past few hours here, you can see here that we are getting more liquidity sweeps, and we're not really following through here. So despite our 4-hour looking bullish, I am going to be watching structure as structure broke bearishly on the lower term time frames while we were up here in our order block. You can see that the 5-minute turned from local bull to local bear. So I did enter a short position with my stop above this high, targeting potentially the 1-hour order block that is beneath us, where I do believe Bitcoin can come and make its higher low on the 4-hour time frame to then make its higher high. So with that being said, if we can make our way down to this order block, and it also is good confluence with the 618 and the upwards point of control, and I see perhaps a 10-minute flip in market structure, I will open up a swing long to be targeting that liquidity up here. And I hope this happens today because I'm in Miami for the next week or so, and I want to get into a swing long position. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm sorry for the bad audio. I don't know how much of the background is being picked up, but I'll update you guys as soon as I can.
Please approach one at a time and have your boarding pass and passport in hand.